Do you want to learn how to make these fluffy and light pumpkin spice muffins? Because if you do, keep watching. Hey guys, my name is Ashrita and welcome back to Good Chews. First up, the dry ingredients. You're going to need some all-purpose flour, salt, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, allspice, ground ginger, and some nutmeg. Feel free to change up these measurements to better suit your likings. Now, for the wet ingredients, we're using some vegetable oil, which you can replace with coconut oil, whole milk, 2 large eggs, vanilla extract, some granulated white sugar and brown sugar, homemade pumpkin puree, and a splash of maple syrup or a sweetener of your choice. After that, you want to incorporate the dry ingredients into the wet. Then fill your muffin pan 3/4 of the way full and then pop them into the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes and then reduce the heat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake them for about 15 to 20 minutes to fully cook. While you're waiting for your muffins to bake, you can transfer the rest of your remaining batter into a mug and pop that in the microwave for about 1 to 2 minutes, and you can enjoy a nice pumpkin spice mug cake in the meanwhile. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this very simple recipe. Thank you so much and see you next time on Good Chews.